While turtles may make fun pets, they are actually great for the ecosystem.
Joining us in today's Forever Family from the Wildlife Epidemiology Laboratory at the University of Illinois is veterinary, there's a lot of long words in this, and research scientist Dr. Laura Adamovich. Hi, Laura, how are you?
Hi there, I'm great. How are you?
I'm fantastic. Who's this?
This is Hazel, an eastern box turtle. She's here as an ambassador because we're going to talk about eastern box turtles today in a project that we're doing with them.
Well, tell us all about Hazel and this type of turtle.
Great. So Hazel is an ambassador turtle from the Wildlife Medical Clinic. She's not releasable, so she comes and does events like this to say hi to the public and get public interested in this species. Eastern box turtles, like Hazel, are actually really important members of ecosystems. They're really good sentinels. So if we study the health of eastern box turtles, we get a really good idea about how healthy their ecosystem is. Humans, animals, and the environment, the health of all of those things is linked. And so understanding the health of box turtles helps us understand the health of the ecosystems that they live in, other species that live in those ecosystems with them, and potentially even up to people.
When you say not releasable, that means she wouldn't survive in the wild very well anymore?
Exactly.
Okay.
And are these type of turtles prominent here in central Illinois? Like we'll find them here?
Yeah, eastern box turtles come up to about the halfway point of Illinois. That's kind of the northern extent of their range. And they're also native to the eastern portions of the United States east of here.
Oh.
So you're doing this study now to learn as much as you can about these turtles. What are some of the types of things you're trying to learn, and how are you learning those things?
We are particularly interested in learning how to better assess health in box turtles. Not many people study health in reptiles, even veterinarians like myself. And so we are doing all kinds of tests in these animals to better understand what are markers of health that we can use as diagnostic tests. We are also doing a bunch of pathogen screening, so we look for diseases that these turtles carry that they can pass between turtle and between other species in their ecosystems.
Okay, talk about the dogs, how the dogs play a role in these turtles.
Absolutely. So when we go out into the field, which we do 2 to 3 times a year to find turtles, we take a team of specially trained turtle sniffing dogs. These are Boykin Spaniels that are specially trained to find box turtles, and they're very, very good at it. They're way better at it than people are. So they go out into the woods, into the brush, the brambles, and the tall grass where we can't see a turtle even if we're almost standing on it, and they sniff them out, pluck them up gently in their mouths, and bring them straight to us. So it's really animals helping animals here as part of our project.
Is this something they just know instinctively, the dogs, or is it something you have to train them to do, like almost like a bomb sniffing dog would be at an airport?
Yeah, they're just as talented as bomb sniffing dogs and drug sniffing dogs, that's for sure. They're trained by a collaborator of ours, John Rucker. He's been breeding these dogs for years. This is, I think, his 3rd or 4th generation of turtle sniffing dogs right now.
Wow.
Had no idea that was a thing.
And then they put them back like the same day, even in the right direction that they were originally going, which is very fascinating.
We put them back.
Yeah,
The
right.
dogs don't put them back? Oh, that would be impressive.
Right.
Oh my goodness. Well, it sounds like a great project, and we wish you the best of luck with your studies there. Hoping you can learn lots of fun things.
Thanks for bringing Hazel to say hello.
Yes. If you want to learn more about box turtles and the project, head to CILiving.tv.